Making a man miss you can be a powerful tool in building attraction and maintaining a healthy relationship. By creating a sense of longing and desire and strengthen emotional bonds and keep a spark alive. And here are the 15 key points to consider when trying to make a man miss you. Hey there ladies, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to share with you 15 key points for creating longing and desire. I'm Greta Bereisaite, your go-to dating and relationship coach for women. If you haven't subscribed yet, make sure to hit that subscribe button and the bell icon so you never miss an upload. I release new videos usually every Wednesday and definitely on Sunday. But before we dive into 15 things, I have a free goodie for you to download. It's called Love at Last and it is available on my website. The link is in the description box below. And if you didn't get it yet, I highly recommend you ladies to check out my book. It's available for sale on Amazon. It's called Devoted Relationships. If you would love to learn how to become a woman of high value from the core. And if you love my style, check out my merch. You can find it in my YouTube store or on my website. Alright then, let's get started. Number 1, give him space. One effective way to make a man miss you is by giving him space. Avoid being constantly available and clingy. Allow him to have his own personal time and pursue his interest. When you give him the freedom to miss you, he will appreciate the time he spends with you even more. Example of this would be encouraging or just purely allowing him to spend time with his friends or go fishing. You don't need to be everywhere he goes or question why he is not taking you with him. Number 2, limit contact. Limiting contact can create a sense of mystery and intrigue. Avoid bombarding him with messages or constantly seeking his attention. Instead, focus on your own life and give him the opportunity to wonder about you. When you are not bombarding him with texts and not sharing every single detail of your day, he will start to think of who you are with. What are you doing? Are you thinking of him? This absence can make him realize how much he values your presence. Number 3, be independent. Maintain your independence and pursue your own passions and hobbies. Show him that you have a fulfilling life beyond the relationship. Keep your identity. This will not only make you more attractive, but it will also make him miss being a part of your exciting world. It is when we lose our identity in a relationship that is when he starts to get bored of us. Number 4, focus on self-improvement. Invest time and effort in personal growth and self-improvement. Develop your skills, nurture your interests, and enhance your overall well-being. When he sees you are thriving and becoming the best version of yourself, it will encourage him to improve himself also. Because if he loves you, he won't risk it to stay behind. Number 5, maintain a positive attitude. Radiate positivity and joy in your interactions with him. Be a source of light and happiness in his life. When he associates you with positivity, he will naturally miss your presence and the positive energy you bring. The worst that you can do is criticize his goals and ideas, just constantly being negative in general. Life is shit or life sucks, for example. After spending time with you, he will feel drained, in a bad mood, and in return, it will make him stay away from you. Number 6, embrace your own social life. Continue to nurture your friendships and spend time with loved ones. Don't neglect your social life or isolate yourself because now you're in a relationship. By maintaining a vibrant social circle, you will create opportunities for him to miss your company and desire to be a part of your social experiences. Ladies, do it for yourself and also out of respect to your family and friends. As if you will just drop everyone in your life because now you have a boyfriend for 2 days. It will not look good, and your family and friends will soon lose respect for you too. Number 7, leave him wanting more. When you spend time together, leave him wanting more. End dates and conversations on a high note when things are going really well. This will create a sense of anticipation and make him eager to spend more time with you in the future. Do not try to prolong the time together. If it's time to go home, it's time to go home. Leave him wanting more. Number 8, be confident and authentic. Confidence is attractive. Be comfortable in your own skin and embrace your authenticity. When you exude self assurance and stay true to yourself, he will miss your genuine presence and the connection you share. It's not about perfection, it's about a person liking you for you. Your opinions, your personality, your dreams, and your goals. Therefore, don't try to please him by adjusting to his points of view, as by doing it, you will lose your identity and it will get boring very quickly. Instead, let him fall in love with the real you. Number 9, focus on quality, not quantity. Instead of focusing on quantity of time you spend together, prioritize the quality of your interactions. The less time you will spend together, the more quality and the more special it will be. The more time you will spend together, the quicker he will get comfortable and bored. Number 10, be mysterious. Maintain an air of mystery around yourself. Don't reveal everything about yourself right away. Leave him curious and intrigued about your life, interests, and experiences. When there is an element of mystery, he will be more likely to miss the parts of you that he hasn't discovered yet. Share your life stories one step at a time and not everything in one go. Number 11, live in the present. Focus on enjoying the present moment when you are together. Avoid dwelling on the past and obsessing about the future. By being fully present and engaged, you will create memorable experiences that he will long for when you are apart. Number 12, support his goals and ambitions. Be supportive of his dreams, goals, and ambitions. Show genuine interest in his aspirations and provide encouragement. When you are his biggest cheerleader, he will miss your unwavering support and will feel motivated to have you by his side. Yet, make sure not to do it obsessively or in a mother-like manner. Instead, show support when he comes to you to share his achievements. Number 13, allow him to pursue you. Give him the opportunity to pursue you and take the lead in the relationship. Allow him to make plans, initiate contact, and express his feelings. When he feels the thrill of the chase, he will miss the excitement and anticipation of winning you over. Number 14, maintain a sense of humor. Laughter is a powerful bonding tool. Keep the relationship light-hearted and fun by sharing moments of laughter and humor. When he associates you with joy and laughter, he will miss the happiness you bring into his life. And here comes the number 15. Be unavailable occasionally. Occasionally make yourself unavailable for a short period. This doesn't mean playing games or being distant, but simply having other commitments or responsibilities that require your attention. When he realizes he can't have your undivided attention all the time, he will miss your presence and long for those moments when you are fully available. Making a man miss you involves a delicate balance of giving him space, maintaining your independence, and creating a sense of longing. By incorporating these key points into your approach, you can foster attraction, deepen emotional connections, and keep the romance alive in your relationship. Remember to be authentic, confident, and nurturing of your own life. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in thoughts in the comments below. Follow me on my Instagram, join my free Facebook group. That's where ladies that follow me usually chit chat, sharing their stories and asking each other advice. Join me in my VIP High Value Woman Tribe. It's a subscription-based group where me and my other coaches do live streams answering your questions 5 times a week. More information towards my VIP, check out the link in the video description box below. And if you would like to know how to stay attractive via text, games men play on women, how to control your emotions, I have all of these videos for sale on my website. And for those that didn't know, I also do business coaching for startups. And if none of these are suiting you and you just want the one-on-one with me where I will hold your hand and tell you exactly what to do and how to behave, you can visit my website gretabereisaite.com and book me there. And all the links will be down in the video description box below. Thank you, queens, for watching. Sending kisses from Dorset. Stay fabulous, and I will see you in the next video.